Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video on what is MAC address, media access control. It is one of the topic in wireless technology. Right, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Okay, what is MAC address? MAC address is a unique ID assigned to a network device like your phone, laptop or Wi-Fi router. It helps identify your device on a local network. Every device that connects to a network via Wi-Fi or cable has a permanent MAC address built on its network card. Okay. It is made up of 12 characters, usually in pairs like A1, B2, C3. In this way, in 12 characters it is made up of. And when you connect to Wi-Fi, the router uses your MAC address to know which device is which. Okay. It helps in sending data to the right device in a network. Some networks restrict access based on the MAC addresses, allowing only known devices. It is a permanent address, unlike the permanent. Okay. And think it is like a digital fingerprint or a permanent name tag for your device. No two are the same. It helps the network recognize and talk to your specific device. See, we have learned about the SSID. It is the temporary. You can change the name of your Wi-Fi. Okay, but whereas the MAC address is a permanent one, which is 12 characters and it cannot be altered, right? So this is what the MAC address is of. It is like a digital fingerprint. You cannot alter yours. Okay. And for this search content, follow the Mindbender and please like and share my video so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Thank you.